The first question is, are online reviews still a powerful tool in digital marketing toolbox? Why or why not? Have they lost some of their weight, power, or influence? Say to some extent, they are still considered to be as a powerful tool, and to some extent, they seems to be inorganic, like artificial reviews. See, when it comes to e-commerce sites, the reviews will be taken very serious while doing the purchase decision. Whereas when it comes to the listings in search engine ranking positions, most of them see the whether it's a 3-star or 4-star. But I didn't feel that most of the people will go on, in-depth study of the reviews. The question number 2 is specifically for SEO, what impact will be there to do online reviews have on rankings, if at all? Like there will be an impact on rankings when it comes to organic listings, because the reviews and everything will be pulled from structured data, and structured data has been given a priority in recent search results is one of the ranking priority. So I believe it will have a positive impact when it comes to search results organically. The question number 3 is list 3 actionable ways to counter negative reviews. Yeah, negative reviews are very painful, and it will going to have a bad impact on the overall business and conversions when it comes to the conversions. So we need to make sure that we have to contact them. We need to find the information like why they didn't like our product or service, and we need to make sure that the issue has been resolved and try to get a positive review from the same person. But when it comes to the negative reviews, most of the reviews will come in compliance.com or weird.com or modshot.com. Those kind of sites will be there. So we have to contest the review. We have to ask them. We have to get him understand that this is not the actual fault. Thank you. Now the question number 4: are Google reviews the only ones that really matter, or the people looking at other sources apart from Google to check a business or a product? Yes, people are looking out for other sources as well. They don't only rely on Google. From my point of view, people will do when purchasing a product or something, they will review the reviews in the same website itself, and they will go to YouTube channel. They will go and check the reviews over there in the YouTube, and the product site itself. They will go and they will start searching about Google and other search engines as well for product reviews. The question number 5, this is sounds very interesting. Outside of possible SEO impact, why should a business or brand put effort into online reviews? That's SEO audience coming from SEO is one of the channels of digital marketing. Similarly, there PPC is there, affiliate marketing is there, email marketing is there, and banner ads are there. A lot of other things from where social networking sites are there. So now in this scenario, as day by day the market scenario and the search scenario is changing, and business has to try all the different ways of channels to acquire the leads. So it's not that just the visitors that are come from SEO. So in this process, business owners are trying to get reviews from a lot of non-SEO sources. From for example, reviews from influencers, reviews in YouTubers with a lot of followers and those kind of things. So it's not just SEO; it's outside SEO reviews are also become more important. I think this is the last question, question number 6. Let's talk about actually getting online reviews. Outline what a review campaign should look like to be effective. Okay. See, getting online reviews is one part. That is a part of marketing strategy. or we can say like whenever we sell some product or service, there is one thing like follow-up email will be sent or follow-up SMS will be sent asking for them for the review. Even when it comes to when we speak to customers about people also, instantly they themselves say that, sir, you are going to receive an message, please rate my how my conversation is. So there is one part of getting review. The review should be like the review campaign should be so short and sweet, and we should not, bug the visitor with a lot of questions. The review should be have only max of 4 to 5 questions, and it is better. It will be, it has some radio type buttons or star ratings instead of asking the visitor to write something about the product. Okay, the writing part should be optional always. So selection part like selecting radio buttons or selecting number of star rating will be more effective campaign. Thank you.